Rick, where'd you get a hand grenade?
I don't know.
Ready to roll. Good boys, so just to give a little reminder, if there are any things on field that you're a little bit worried about, you think someone's not calling their hits, you think someone's overshooting, we don't need to confront people on field, alright? That's our job. So if you come out and see us, remember what the person's wearing. Don't get angry on field. It just bubbles up, makes more problems than it needs to. So if you have any problems, come see us. We will give people warnings. If they are going off the people when they shouldn't be, you get a warning. If you're overshooting, if you're not calling your hits, we will also come give you a warning, alright? So we're trying to be strict with everything, but please come and see us. Don't sort it out on your own. Yeah? Can I keep an eye about this? What about somebody that shoots two? Oh yeah. Oh wait, there's a gun. Every now and then it shoots two. He's trying to be considerate about it. We do what we can with it. Alright, so we're going to start with TDM. I'll give blue team the far side, red team the close side. And let's roll.
Let's go! Oh, what the shit? I don't know. Probably not. Oh! Oh, what the
I don't understand how it got in so fast.
Hey, you are?
Is he in there?
Yeah,
Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Yeet!
That's it. Thank you.
Yeah. No, we're good, we're good. Go! Good shot! Where are we? Whereabouts are we? In here?
I don't know, they've changed it a little bit.
They're in there?
Cover that one.
Got it coming? Yep. Didn't get to throw it. Oh, yo! Nice bar! You good? Oh, no, don't, bro. Fuck, there's heaps of you guys here. Where are they? Whereabouts? What's up, bro? Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a springy grenade.
Yeah, it's a wee springy, bro.
That's right, I thought of the whole Nades thing. It's a
Oh, no,
grenade.
Cheers, bro. Whoa! Yo, good shot.
Right now, they're pushing down that hallway.
Are they actually?
Yeah, fucking use it. Go for it, I'll be right now. Go.
I got it.
I didn't get my grenade.
Wait, how does the grenade work?
How does it work?
Yeah.
It's just like springs, but have a go.
Like I can use it?
Yeah, have a go.
I don't trust me when he's holding it.
Just throw it on the floor.
It doesn't hurt. So you just let it go?
Yeah, just let it go, just drop it.
I don't want to break it.
No, you won't.
Don't try that. Wait, that'll be so good for the room. Chuck it out the window.
Yeah, it's just springs, bro. So the BBs go in here and then they just ping up. You just gotta hold on to the fucking.
Okay, we need to bring you to that window room because you can geese it in through the doorway.
Well, happy.
You know how good that would be?
Where'd that go? I can't see. My glasses are fogged. Oh, yo. I mean, I can't see shit, bro. I only got like fucking 8 rounds left in my mag. Around here. Oh yeah, hold on. Is he? Where is he? Is he still there? Yep.
It was the clumsiest reload.
Fuck it. All good. Bang. Oh, fuck me. That was a run.